If you get this error message from Rocket League game and the error says you have been removed from the voice room because your voice chat settings do not allow you to communicate with one or more of the players in the room. Now, this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this problem. Make sure to follow these instructions very carefully. Now, you can close your game, which is Rocket League, and then relaunch it again. So I'm going to relaunch the Rocket League just like so. Now, also launch the game, select on the settings, and then click on chat. Now on the chat section, make sure to enable it like this. So on the quick chat, make sure to put allow quick chat with everyone. Also on the merge chat, make sure to allow text chat with everyone. Also on the party chat, make sure to allow party text chat with everyone. Now after that, you can select here view voice chat settings, and make sure to also put the settings in like this. So on the voice chat, allow voice chat with everyone. Also voice chat input device, maybe you can set it to default. Then voice chat method, you can put open mic. But the most important thing is to put your information to look exactly like this. So after putting all the informations like this, to allow quick chat with everyone and allow text chat with everyone on the merge chat, on the party chat, allow party text chat with everyone, make sure to click back and then try to play and then try to check if the issue has been resolved. So this is the best guide on how to fix this error message, which says you have been removed from the voice room because your voice chat settings do not allow you to communicate with one or more of the players in the room. So follow the instructions and let me know in the comment section if this helped you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.